In the annals of history, great battles have often been immortalized by the prowess of warriors wielding mighty swords. Picture a Viking warrior, sword raised, ready to unleash fury upon his foes, yet in a cruel twist of fate, he finds his blade splintering mid-strike. Such dramatic imagery might befit the silver screen, but the truth reveals a deeper, more insidious enemy lurking within the folds of time: nature's relentless chemistry. It was corrosion, not mere battle, that shaped the destiny of legendary weapons. Over centuries, iconic arms like the Roman gladius and the revered samurai katana succumbed to the gradual decay wrought by exposure to the elements. Those once glorious blades fell victim to the invisible forces of rust, transforming them from potent tools of war into fragile echoes of human history. At the heart of this crumbling saga lies the science of metal's greatest adversary: oxidation. Iron and steel, materials that appear steadfast and robust, harbor a fundamental flaw in their atomic structure: a magnetic allure to oxygen. When these metals encounter moisture and air, they awaken a corrosive metamorphosis, producing iron oxide known popularly as rust. This isn't a mere nuisance. It's a fierce chemical chain reaction that maligns the integrity of the metal, quietly eating away at its strength. Yet perhaps the most sinister foe is stress corrosion cracking, SCC, where mechanical strain conjoins with rust to erode metal from within. Minute fissures, like fragile veins, infiltrate stressed blades, beckoning moisture and acidic compounds into their depths, rendering them vulnerable to catastrophic failure at the slightest provocation. Viking swords offer poignant reflections of this haunting truth. Often unearthed from damp peat bogs in Scandinavia, these relics reflect a complex interplay of elemental forces steeped in chemistry. The acidic milieu of peat, its pH ranging from 3.5 to 5.5, accelerates rusting, while sulfur-rich waters conspire to forge iron sulfide, further amplifying decay. It's a battleground of corrosion within mixed metal compositions where iron meets bronze or silver hilts, unwittingly igniting galvanic reactions that expedite deterioration, as if the weapons themselves are embroiled in a slow, agonizing demise. Even the famed pattern-welded Viking blades, designed for unparalleled strength, reveal the paradox of increased vulnerability, as rust systematically tears apart the carefully forged seams. The Roman legacy is equally plagued. Their gladiuses threatened not merely by cross-swords but by ferro pestis, a corruption-consuming iron. The very sweat and blood, essences of life, exuded by gladiators mingled with their weapons, fueling the corrosion process. Thus, as we examine these artifacts shaped by both craftsmanship and chemistry, we unravel a deeper narrative of struggle, not only between men in battle, but between mankind and the very materials we crafted for survival. As time marches relentlessly on, it becomes clear that the mightiest blades often fell not to the edge of an enemy's weapon, but to the insatiable hunger of nature itself.